We're gonna get ready to start our nose cone. We need a block of foam, we need a Sharpie, and we need something called a tri-square, which helps us to draw lines at perfect 90-degree angles using this edge. Take your marker, we want your initials at least, all three, middle name included, on the bottom of your nose cone. Now I'm going to measure from the bottom up 1 inch. I can use my tri-square. If you look, there's a ruler here, and I'm just going to place it there and put a little dot at 1 inch of space. Now, this is how you use the tri-square. I'm gonna take the handle and I'm gonna put the handle against the edge like this. I don't want it crooked. I'm gonna slide until the ruler gets to my mark, and I'm gonna put a straight line right through my mark. Rotate, and I'm gonna repeat this process. I can kind of see, if you look closely here, right at the corner, if I take it across, I can see where that 1 inch mark is, so I don't need to remeasure. I just need to get my tri-square even with that mark. There it is. Maybe it's better if I go from this end. I have a little bit more room to work. There it is. The reason we're doing this, if I show you, the reason we're doing this is you can see in step 1 here, we mark off 1 inch of space below, but if I follow it through the nose cone stages, step 1, 2, 3, and I get to 4 here, you can see this is the part we cut away, and that's the part we put inside the body tube, and this part is the part that sticks out the top of the body tube, the part that we shape. Now we've done step 1, it's time for step 2, and you can always look at this board, I'll have it posted in the classroom. Step 2 says use 120 grit sandpaper to sand off the corners. The corners of our block are here. So if I'm looking at mine, these corners, if I flip it, these corners. Really what we're trying to do is work it from a rectangle into more of a rounded shape and then pointed so that it's a cone. I'm gonna use 120 grit sandpaper. You can flip it over and check the back. There should be a number on there. That refers to how rough or how smooth it is. And to start, I kind of like to fold mine a little bit. And we take our nose cone and we're gonna just sand those edges off. Kind of staying in this area. I don't need to do a whole lot back here. If I do, that's fine. And keep repeating the whole way around for every corner until it looks similar to this, keeping a tapered design. Remember, this top part, this part, is the part that's gonna be a point. So that's where I wanna sand the most.